Hey guys, T here. We got a tree out here that a woodpecker has pecked a gigantic hole in, and boy, I don't like that. We're gonna see if we can't fill that thing up and well, I don't know, save the tree. Anyway, thanks for tuning in, guys. Please subscribe. Let's take a look. So here's our tree here. It's got one little hole in it, and boy, it's got this big honker in there. Well, I don't like this at all. First thing we're going to do is take some of this killer, and in hopes that there's any ants in there, we're gonna get rid of them. We're going to use this touch foam max fill and fill that hole up. So we're going to cut a little cardboard template here, or actually a patch. We'll try to hold in some of this foam. Okay, I think that'll do enough. We're going to tape it too. Well, here goes. I guess it's still expanding, so I guess that's good. Okay, so we're going to let this sit for 8 hours. That's when it's supposed to be completely cured, and come back and shave it off. Here it is after 4 hours. We're still going to wait till tomorrow. Well, we let it sit overnight. Let's take a look. Not horrible. Let's pan it. So there you have it, guys. We filled this big woodpecker hole with some expanded foam. Now the foam doesn't have any structural integrity to it that would help the structure of a tree, but it keeps water from getting in there and standing and rotting the tree. We also put some insect killer in there that will kill any ants and stuff that was, attracting woodpeckers. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Please subscribe. I'll see you next time.